Citrem Baolida Metal Pipe Fittings Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2009 and is located in Chengdu, enjoying convenient railway transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 15,524 square meters and has 147 employees. We are specialized in agricultural greenhouse and related equipment, accessories. Vertical Grow Tower. Our company has rich experience of 16 years in the agricultural industry. Our main products include single-span greenhouses, multi-span greenhouse, solar dryer greenhouse, blackout light deprivation greenhouse, inspolar greenhouses, glass, Venlo greenhouse, and various systems or accessories to support agricultural commercial planting, such as the irrigation system, the rolling benches system, vertical hydroponic tower, the lighting system, the automatic control system, the fertilizer system, and etc. Besides these, we have the professional design and technical team. The team members are 13. We are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different customers' requirements. Our company have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certificates. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, great quality products and competitive prices, reliable and warm service. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us for future common success. Welcome to visit our factory in China and explore the mysteries of agriculture with us. We will take you through the complete process from production to delivery, and together we will move towards the era of modern agriculture.